discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. What's going on? My name is JacobViral. We can put windows up real quick. It's a little quieter. Nice. I like this, man. So your name? What's in here? Go ahead.
Name's Alex Gill. I got 4 Defons 3015Rs on 4 Terry JKs.
Nice. Did you build this?
No, a guy named Chris Jones in Georgia, CNK.
Okay.
Built it.
Okay. Nice. 4th order.
Yeah.
You know your tuning or porting or anything?
It's 18 down low, 42 up top, and it peaks around 45 open.
Okay. Very nice. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, it is pretty good.
It looks good. And what is your amp wire to?
0.8.
0.8, okay. And your alternator battery?
2 370 brand X alternators and 120 amp hour C-Max.
Okay. Any SPL tests?
Done a few tests. Got a 156.4 at 45.
That's not bad, man. That's pretty good then.
Pretty good. No
and it's a
deadener
musical
in it.
build.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's no deadener, so I mean.
Oh, so you have it? It's all stock cabin
It's
in
all
here.
stock cab.
Okay. Sweet. Have you? Are you able to mount the cells regular or only inverted?
I can do them regular. The problem is I can't tell when they get too hot.
Hot, smell, or anything?
Yeah. I slam the 12K conservative with the amplifiers.
I like your brace too. That helps keep it reinforced. It looks good. Yeah.
There's 4 4x4s in the bottom section too.
Yeah.
So it's,
and then are these how much are these subs rated for?
2,800 each.
20. Okay. Sorry for all the questions. I just really like to see everything. I get to see it once.
Yeah, it's 4 years old, so I think.
Oh well, it's working. Alpine. All right. Is there a way I can see the back?
Yeah, it's open.
Okay. There we go. Can I see in here?
Everything's right in the back here.
Okay. I just like to see how the wall's built. Oh, well, that works. Nice. So did this box did it slide in or did you build in?
It slid in.
Okay.
And then I reinforced it all 2x10.
That looks good. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really stiffened it out.
Nice. Nice work. Thank you for showing me everything, man. I appreciate it. Oh, wow. You got a lot of space.
Yeah.
Nice.
Trying to go bigger next year.
And you're able to have some room for storage and anything you carry too.
Pretty much pick up groceries I need to.
Yeah, man. Sweet. So each of these are like you said 0.8?
Yeah, they're at 0.8.
And the batteries are underneath?
The battery's under the box.
Okay, got it. So it's kind of hidden.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Yep. The bass is so loud because you're really musical, man. With the head units don't like certain volumes.
Yeah, and it's 4 years old, so I think.
Oh well, it's working. Alpine. All right. There we go.